To successfully follow the instructions provided for updating and configuring Digipose Zen with Zen Ongo, here's a step-by-step guide. Update Digipose Zen to version 2.5.8.10 or higher. Download and install the latest version of Digipose Zen version 2.5.8.10 or higher from digipose.ai. Extract the downloaded file and replace the existing digipose.exe in target folder. Ensure the update is completed before proceeding to the next steps. Go to Company Settings, then Application Settings, then Advanced. Enable the Cost Center configuration feature. Cost Centers and Vouchers Creation. While creating the cost center, ensure you check the box for Zen Ongo only. In Digipose Zen, create a new cost center for each van. Select the essential vouchers that are to be created under the cost center. After selecting the essential vouchers, click on the Save button. This action will simultaneously create the voucher and the associated cost center. Stock transfer to vans. Use the stock transfer feature to transfer stock to each cost center representing a van. To set permissions for Zen Ongo vouchers, go to User Groups in Digipose Zen. Set relevant permissions for Zen Ongo vouchers in the relevant user groups. Create user accounts for each van. Create separate user accounts for each van with distinct usernames and passwords. While creating each user, ensure to select the Zen Ongo enabled cost center and the appropriate user group. Ensure stable internet connection. Verify that a stable internet connection is available as Zen Ongo requires it for accurate van sales operations. Configure Zen Ongo in Digipose Zen. Open Digipose Zen. Navigate to Tools Zen Ongo tab. Click the Settings button. Start the Zen Ongo service. Wait for the service installed successfully pop-up message, then close it. After starting the service, click on Upload Data in Settings. Wait for the confirmation pop-up message, then close it. Download the latest Zen Ongo app from the Google Play Store. Open Zen Ongo app. Register the app using the server CD key and the registered mobile number. Please log in using the username and password created for the specific van. Perform transactions using the mobile app. Conduct sales transactions through the Zen Ongo mobile app. Download and save transactions in Digipose Zen. Transactions done on the Zen Ongo mobile app can be downloaded and saved in Digipose Zen. Important note: in Zen Ongo vouchers, invoices cannot be edited or updated in Digipose Zen. However, they can be downloaded and printed. Follow these steps carefully to ensure the successful setup and operation of Digipose Zen with Zen Ongo for van sales.